Good morning. I'm good. How are you? Can you hear me, Miss Jet?
Yes.
Okay. The other individual on the screen there is an attorney with the state's attorney's office. She's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve this speeding ticket.
Okay.
So the state's offer is a $255 fine with court supervision.
And does that mean it'll be like completely off my record?
It will not show up on your record at the end of, depending on how long it takes for you to get that paid, it will not show up on your record as a conviction.
Okay. Yes, I would like to do that.
Okay. How long would you need to pay the $255?
I can pay it whenever.
We'll just give you through the end of December. Is that okay?
Yes, that works.
Okay.
Do I pay it online or do I come to you guys?
Either one. Actually, if you see at the bottom of my screen, it's scrolling through there. It says paytrafficfine.org.
Oh, okay.
So that's the site you can go to pay it online. You can come here. You can mail it. Any questions?
I think you guys answered them all.
Okay. All right. Well, we did our job then. All right.
Thank you so much.
You're good to go. Thank you. Good morning. May I ask who this is?
Good morning. This is Andrea Purviance.
There you go. Okay. All right. The other individual you see in the screen there is an attorney with the state's attorney's office. She's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the expired registration ticket.
Okay.
It does appear that she submitted evidence that she has purchased a new updated registration sticker. So the state's moving to dismiss for compliance this ticket.
All right. Ma'am, the state is going to dismiss that for compliance.
All right. Thank you. Do I need to do anything else?
Nope, you're good.
All right. Thank you. Have a happy Thanksgiving.
You too. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Amanda Underfinger. Good morning. Can you hear me okay?
I sure can. Thank you.
All right. The other individual on the screen is an attorney from the state's attorney's office. She's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the speeding ticket.
Okay, great. Thank you.
State's offers me a $255 fine with court supervision.
That's fine.
How long would you need to pay the $255?
I can pay it today.
Okay. And if you see at the bottom of my screen there, it's scrolling through, it says paytrafficfine.org.
Okay.
That is the site if you want to pay it online.
Oh, and I'm sorry, it's rolling really slow.
Yeah.
Pay traffic.
Fine.org.
Got it.
All right.
And how long will the supervision be?
30 days.
Okay, great.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Have a
Take
great
care.
day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Madeline Jackson. I'm gonna put her back in the waiting room. Should be Mary Crowley Herman. There's Peter Herman.
I will say there's a few.
Yeah.
How do I change that?
Can you hear me okay?
Yes, we.
Okay, all right. Is this Peter Harmon? And I'm assuming mom?
Yes, I'm sorry. I thought that the name had changed on there, but it has not.
That's fine. We managed to figure it out, so.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Harmon. The other individual you see in the screen there is an attorney with the state's attorney's office. She is going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the speeding ticket.
Good morning. So the state's offer is a $280 fine, court supervision, and then because of your age, state law would require you to do a one-time traffic safety course. It's online. It's roughly 3.5 to 4 hours long.
Okay.
Is that something you want to do?
Yes.
Okay. How long would you need to pay the $255?
Not long.
280. I'm sorry. It's the 280. I misspoke. I'm sorry.
Yeah, not long.
You want to give you like through a month? Does that give you enough time?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. And you probably go, can they get the traffic safety school on circuit clerk? So if you go to Sangamon County Circuit Clerk, that website, the same site you signed up on for the Zoom, it'll give you the information about the traffic school. Okay? And if you see at this bottom of my screen, it'll give you a site, paytrafficfine.org. So that's a site you can pay it online if you want to. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You need a second to get all that down, or you?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Still running.
Yes. Yeah. Paytrafficfine.org.
There we go. All right. And then Sangamon County, where we came here. Okay. For the traffic school.
Okay. Any questions?
No, I think I'm good.
All right. All right. Thank you very much. Take care.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
No, that was
Oh,
actually full screen.
oopsies.
There should be a button that says leave meeting.
There we go.
Richard Hurley. Can you
Hello?
hear, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
Very good. We can hear you. The other individual on the screen is an attorney with the state's attorney's office. She's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve this ticket.
So the state's offer is going to be $255 fine with court supervision.
Is that something you want to do? Can you hear me, sir?
There.
Oh, can you hear me, sir?
You now.
Okay, we kind of froze. Your picture's frozen anyway, so there we go. Okay. All right. So I just want to make sure that you heard the state's offer. Make sure I'm correct, Ms. Bott, is $255 with court supervision. Is that an offer you would like to take?
Well, I'll tell you, it was a mistake that I didn't even know I was driving on a suspended license plate.
Well, sir, so hang on a second. So the only thing we can do on Zoom is for folks who do want to accept the state's offer. If you don't want to accept the state's offer, I'm going to need to reset this, and you'd actually have to show up in court, which is fine. But we can't do anything other than basically we can't have trials or things like that over Zoom. So if you wish to contest the ticket, we'd actually have to have you come back. And again, that's fine, but I just wanted to let you know that.
Did you pay the ticket fee already?
Well, I've already paid a fee to the state, but I guess this is separate.
Did you pay it to get the registration?
Yes, I paid $100 to get reinstated.
Okay, that was through the Secretary of State, most likely. This
Okay.
is the ticket that was written by the Secretary of State Police, because at the time when they pulled you over, the registration was suspended. So it
Right.
is two different things.
Okay. They're offering me what? I have to pay what?
You're kind of cutting in and out again, sir. Can you say that again?
What's the fine? How much
$250,
is the fine?
$255.
$255. Okay,
And
do I have a link? A certain link?
yes, you tell me how long you,
When we
go ahead.
oh, if I can get 30 days,
I can
pay it
give
up
you,
to the circuit clerk's office.
yes. Is 30 days enough? I can give you longer if you need it.
Now 30 days would be fine.
Okay,
It's just like when I got the ticket, I went right up the next day and
okay.
had everything. Even the officer said, "I hate to write this ticket."
I understand. But yes, you can, if you see at the bottom of my screen, it's going to scroll through and it's going to say paytrafficfine.org. That is a site you can go to pay it online if you want.
Okay. I guess if when I pay it, can my granddaughter go up and pay it for me?
Sure. Yeah, just make sure
Okay.
she's got the right.
Now right. Well, right now, does she need to take the ticket with her? Or?
She probably should. It's a good idea. That way they got the right number.
Okay. Yeah. Like I said, I ain't had nothing against my license in probably 30 years.
Yeah, this will
And I
not
was really
show.
shocked that-
This will not show up as a conviction then, because it is supervision.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. How long is the supervision?
30 days.
Oh, okay. Well, like I said, I've never had nothing like this. It was a
Sure,
complete accident.
I understand.
I thought when I showed the proof of insurance that I'd be okay, man.
Sure.
You know.
Okay.
And the guy even told me that the police officer told me, said, "I hate to write the ticket. He said, I'm supposed to tow your car, but I'm not gonna do that."
Well, at least you
Because
skip. At least you managed not to get that. All right, sir. Any questions though about how to get it paid or anything? Say that again.
I'm sorry. No, my granddaughter. When I get the money, my granddaughter just take it up to circuit clerk and pay it.
You'll pay it actually on the first floor. There's a traffic payment center on the first floor of the county building.
Oh, okay.
Yep. All righty.
Okay.
Thank you very
Alrighty,
much, sir.
well, I do have insurance, so if you needed to see it.
Nope, we're good.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
We'll let you go ahead and you can leave the meeting then. Thank you. Hey, Mr. Wilson. Ms. Botts, I do need to let you know, I know Mr. Wilson.
Okay.
We attend the same church, so I do need to let you know that. If there's an agreement here, I don't think there's any problem, but just didn't need to let you know that.
Okay.
Mr. Wilson? Oh.
So Jill.
Just kidding. Hey, Mr. Wilson.
Just kidding.
I'm sorry, I was letting the state's attorney know that I do know you. So we'll keep that in mind, though. If there's an agreement here, that'll be fine, but if we need to do something else, then we might need to make some other arrangements. But the other individual on the screen there is an attorney with the state's attorney's office. She's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the speeding ticket.
Okay.
So the state's offer is going to be a $255 fine with court supervision.
Yeah, I'll accept that.
Okay. How long would you need to pay the 255?
I can pay that whenever.
Okay. At the bottom of my screen, there's a site that says paytrafficfine.org. So that is a site, you can pay that online.
Okay.
I'll just put on there I'm going to put December 15th, just to give you a little room to
Okay.
get that paid.
Thank you.
Any questions?
So just go to that, and then what do I do after that?
On the paytrafficfine.org, you'd probably need to, I'm not sure what all's on there. Make sure you're including the ticket number.
Okay.
But that should resolve it then, and it's 30 days of supervision. As long as you get that paid, then it won't show up on your record as a conviction.
Okay. Do I need to do anything with the supervision or just pay the fine?
Just pay the fine.
Okay. Gotcha.
All right.
Okay.
Anything else?
No, thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Take care.
All right. Bye-bye.
Thomas Albert. Can you hear me all right, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, I can hear you.
Okay. The other individual on the screen is an attorney with the state's attorney's office. She's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the ticket for the electronic communication device.
Okay.
State's offer is going to be a $255 fine with court supervision.
That'd be great.
All right. How long would you need to get that paid?
I could do it by the end of the week,
Okay.
if that's possible.
That is fine. I'm just going to put on there December 15th, just to give you a room there.
Okay.
And on the bottom of my screen, you'll see a site scrolling through paytrafficfine.org.
Okay.
That is a site you can go to if you want to pay it online.
Okay.
Any questions?
No, Your Honor, I appreciate it.
Okay, you're good to go then. Thank you.
Thank you.
Patrick Williams. Two Williams. Oh, this is the one. In the waiting room just says Williams. Alan Jackson. We have two Patrick Williams. Click on the other one. Yeah. Technology engine. We'll see who Williams is.
Hello?
Can you hear me all right, sir?
Let me find my sound.
Can you hear me? I'll just keep talking and see if you can hear me.
He's got his registration.
Do you have it?
Yeah, he's showing it.
Can you hear me, sir?
Oh, and he also looks like he submitted proof of it.
Okay.
State's moving to dismiss.
I can't. All right.
I'm assuming that's no objection.
Oh, now I got it.
Okay, all right. All right, good to talk to you. Yeah, because you're showing the registration and you submitted it, your ticket's dismissed for compliance.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day.
Take care. I'll let you, and then you can just leave meeting then. You should see a button that says leave meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Madeline Jackson is back. Let's see if she's going to get her audio. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Are you doing okay? What I see around you, are you doing okay?
I'm in the hospital, but I'm doing okay.
Okay, all right. You can understand everything going on? You're not on pain
Yeah.
meds or anything? Okay, all right.
Yes, I have
The
a
other,
to me too.
I'm sorry, say it again?
I have a friend next to me just in case.
Okay, all right. So the other individual on the screen you see there is an attorney with the state's attorney's office. She's going to make you an offer to see if you want to resolve the speeding ticket.
Okay.
So the state's offer is going to be a fine of $255 and then court supervision for the speeding ticket.
Okay, I would accept that.
Okay. How long would you need to get the $255 paid?
Can you give me a week?
Oh, I can give you longer than that. You just
Okay.
a month? Is that
Yeah,
enough?
that would be great. A month would be, yeah.
Okay. We'll just show it as so just a month from today, and it'll be 30 days of supervision.
Yes.
Okay. And at the bottom of the screen here, it's scrolling through. It says paytrafficfine.org. That is a site you can use if you want to pay it online.
Okay, great.
All right. Any questions or anything?
No.
Okay. All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye-bye. And I got two who didn't show.
So Jamie Matthews and